Hi guys, how are you doing? How have you been? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Janet Matilda, guys, coming live from this amazing village. Yes, my background tells it all. So stay tuned. Make sure when you're watching my videos, guys, kindly leave a comment, share, and if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you wish to support my channel, you can share the super chats on my videos, or you can even subscribe to my membership. Kindly guys subscribe so that we get at least 20 people, okay? So just make sure that when you're watching my video, kindly just remember to give a like and comment. Just comment. It won't take much of your time. Just leave a comment below and like my people. So on today's video, actually it's early in the morning, and usually, in the village you wake up to morning routines. You have to fetch water, you have to make breakfast, you have to make sure that the cows are outside, you have to make sure that the houses are clean. So on today's video, my people, coming live from this amazing place, an African girl is in this amazing stream right here. Yes, I'll be fetching water in this bucket and taking it home. So stay tuned. Make sure you watch this video from the start to the end, because it has a lot in it. It's not only fetching water, but it entails a lot of moments and clips of different videos and different morning routines. So stay tuned. Make sure you watch from the start to the end. Leave a comment below, subscribe to my membership, and comment in this amazing video. So stay tuned. So here's the stream. So now I'll have to take it. Yeah, guys, you have to make sure that the water is clean. You have to fetch clean water, because this water is going to cook. So here in the village, mostly we fetch water from the streams as usual. And so I have 2 buckets. Yeah, I have 2 buckets. Yeah. Oh. So guys, as I said, it's morning here in the village, and you know, when you wake up you have to make sure that your feet are clean. You wash your face because you have been sleeping. You can't just wake up and you look dirty, your face is dirty. You know, you have to make sure that your beautiful face is clean. And I'm going to brush my teeth using this blue gum tree stick. Exactly, because here in the village, if you visit my village and you happen to forget your toothbrush from wherever you're coming from, then I'd recommend you to use blue gum tree stick because it's the best. It's a medicinal remedy actually, my people. Yes, so I'm gonna look for the one that is a little bit hard, very weak. This one is very weak actually, so I'll have to look for one that is a bit hard. Yeah, so I don't know which tree. Let me work and see which one is the best. And if you're new here, just to give you a brief of my outfit of the day. So this is Ankara. We call them lesos in Africa. Yeah, in most African countries, or if you have visited most African countries, you'll find that these type of African fabrics are majorly used. Yeah, and actually you can take this type of African fabrics to an event. If somebody is having an event, it can serve as a gift to the person, and some of them use them as an outfit. You can take them to the tailor and the tailor can make them for you, and you wear a very nice and beautiful outfit. So these are African fabrics, and they are very common in African countries, and majority of you know. This one I'm just telling the people that are new here and actually feel welcomed to my channel. Yeah, you'll see more of me, because you people, I don't know why. If you don't see me, you don't watch. Why do you do me like that? Anyway, let's look for the blue gum so that I can brush my teeth. Yeah, I'm still looking for one that is a bit better, one that is a little bit thick, like this. Yeah, this blue gum tree, guys, actually serves a lot of purpose. When it's dry, we use them for firewood, and there's a lot of firewoods right here. Probably I'll collect a little bit of them because there's a lot. What is this? This one looks like one that had a dude. Let's move and look for the better one. This one is good. Yeah, this one is good. When you cut it and it comes out like this, then you simply know you got the best one. So you have to make sure that you remove the outer part so that you remain with the stick only by itself. Guys, I'm born in the village. Yeah, I'm born in the village. Yes, and that's why I know a lot of village chores, and I love this life. It's very peaceful, it's simple. But if you want to visit my village, be welcomed. Visit my village, I'll show you a lot. You'll get to bathe in the river. I know some of you want to experience that, and I'm very sure you'll be happy. If you visit my village, you will have to bathe in the river, and probably remove the waste products of the cow if you want to. No one will force you though. If you want to. You have to make sure that it's soft, so you have to chew it over and over again so that it becomes soft for you, so that it doesn't hurt your teeth. Then you even your tongue, you don't have to forget your tongue. So now my people, have to rinse my teeth. Round two of taking water at home.